Good morning, viewers. Today we are going to study on the topics of minerals and its usage in our daily life. Actually, this video is belong to standard 7th, and in this video we will discuss about the composition of minerals, the usage of minerals, and what are their use in our daily life. So, first of all, minerals are the main components of the rock. Rock means chattan, minerals means khanij. So, minerals and khanij both are correlated, interlinked or interrelated also. So, minerals where means in a rock particles where minerals are contained, and in a minerals and without minerals no any rock particles can be contains can be formed. So minerals and rock both are interrelated and correlated with each other. So minerals are the natural inorganic substances. Minerals are the natural inorganic substances. Inorganic substances means अजैव पदार्थ and natural प्राकृतिक भौतिक. So these are the inorganic substances, अजैव substances which have a definite chemical composition and they are physical properties also. Chemical composition means रासायनिक संगठन, रासायनिक संरचना, and physical properties means भौतिक गुण. So it means the minerals which are the natural inorganic substance which have some definite chemical composition and physical properties both. They may be made up of single element, means minerals may be single elements and may be also formed by one or more than one or two or five or 10 components or elements. So this may be formed by single elements, this may be formed by many more elements also. So some example of single element like gold, sona, sulfur and graphite. These are the example of single elemented materials, minerals. On the other hand, the quartz is made up of more than one elements. So it is also the example of quartz is also the example of minerals, while gold, sulfur and graphite is also the example of minerals. But gold, sulfur and graphite are the single element minerals, while quartz are the more than one or compound of more than one elements is the quartz. So these are usually, so minerals are usually crystalline. Crystalline means rava, means dana. So means minerals have in crystalline form, ravadar form में, दानेदार form में होते हैं, and few are non-crystalline. But some minerals, few minerals which are non-crystalline, which are non-rava, non-दानेदार. So copper, iron and gold means minerals are also classified on their properties. They may be metallic and they may be non-metallic. Metallic minerals are those metallic minerals are those which have metallic properties like copper, iron, gold. These have metallic properties. So these are considered as the metallic minerals. While mica and gypsum, these have no any metallic properties. So these are considered as the non-metallic minerals. So minerals are used for building up of buildings, many more multi-story buildings and general buildings, houses, bridges, factories. Means all of these are made by minerals. Do you know that we utilize the iron rod in the pillar of our houses, and and vitamins and concrete and cement. All of these are minerals. All of these are minerals, and without these minerals, no any houses, no any bridges, no any factories, and no any buildings can build up. So minerals is very important substances in our life. These are also used in preparing a numbers of things. Means that minerals are used not only in forming of not only made up of building houses, bridges, factories, but a lot of things, a lot of modern equipments like computer, sunglasses, car, pencils, slate. All of these are the asset in our life, in our offices, in our offices and factories and our houses. In all of these places where computers are used, sunglasses are used, cars are used, pencils are used by the societies, used by the people, and slates are also used in many states of our life. Apart from this, some minerals are not metallic and not non-metallic. They are considered as the fuels minerals. They are considered as the energy minerals, and they are coal, means koila, and petroleum, and natural gas. Koila, petroleum, and natural gas. These are also the example of minerals, but these are considered as the energy minerals. And like coal is used for generating the thermal electricity, while petroleum is used for the for running out the vehicles, running out the bus, the trucks, and the many others, and that are used in the as a fuels. And natural gas, which are also used for in cooking medium and in transportation facilities also. So coal, petroleum are also coal, petroleum, and natural gas are the example of energy minerals, and these are also used as fuel in our society, in our country. So this is also an example of minerals. Another is that iron, aluminium, uranium. These are used in the as a raw material in many industries, many different industries as a raw material, like iron and steel industry, where iron particles, where raw iron and lignite, not so many substances of iron and aluminium, uranium. These are used in many industries. So as a raw materials. So minerals are used for medicine also. Many medicines which are made up by the different minerals, in many fertilizers that are applied in our fields, and these are also the example of minerals. So in our daily life, minerals are very important and useful. And if we throw out the minerals from our life, then we will go back in our early life, where early people live and early people face different problems in their life. So minerals are more useful in our life, so we should concentrate our mind and we should utilize these in our daily life. Thank you very much.